Hello guys, Tommy here, Solidity and Ethereum developer. Today, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to deploy an Ethereum trading bot and generate steady passive income using Solidity. The market cap for Ethereum is over $240 billion. Now this leaves millions of dollars in floating liquidity caused by slippage and price differences between transactions. I'm going to explain how to get some share of that. This website basically outlines all the tools you need, and I'm going to explain the process in 5 minutes. I recommend using 0.5 Ethereum minimum, but it works best with 1 Ethereum. Using CoinLedger, I'll calculate how much profit from a 0.5 or a 1 Ethereum investment. With 0.5 Ethereum, which is roughly $1,000, the profit you get is about $581. It's good for a start. And with $2,000, you're going home with $3,300 minimum. Obviously, funding more Ethereum in your arbitrage trading bot will result in much more higher profit. We will be using Uniswap Exchange for all our arbitrage, since it's one of the biggest exchanges out there, and it's been working perfectly for the past 3 months. Uniswap version 3 Core is the latest version and is integrated in the bot. The process is easier than it sounds, and you don't need any coding experience as this video explains each step properly. Before starting the steps, do the following. Add Metamask browser extension to Google Chrome browser on your Windows or MacBook. It's available for free on Chrome Web Store. I'm just going to create a new wallet and fund 1.1 Ethereum. The extra is just for transaction gas fees. Then I can close these. Now open remix.ethereum.org. Remix is used to create Solidity-based Ethereum smart contracts. If it's your first time using Remix, just accept this AI Analytics pop-up and let's get building. Click this default workspaces button and select Create New Workspace. Choose Git Clone, then copy and paste the GitHub repo link, and finally, click Clone. The page might get unresponsive since it's a large repository. Just click Exit Page. If this pop-up comes up, click Reload, click Skip Backup, and Remix will cache the memory and load up properly. Now you can see Uniswap v3 GitHub repository fully loaded, letting our deployed arbitrage bot interact directly with Uniswap's Ethereum mempool. Once done, click Create, click on New File, and name it bot.sol. Make sure you add .sol extension to allow the code compile successfully. I'm just going to close this AI assistant for more space. Go back to the bot website, open the updated bot code, copy it, and paste in the file you just created in Remix. This pop-up warning will come up. Make sure you copy the latest version from the website. Using an outdated code may deploy a faulty bot, so I'll just close the pop-up and continue. Scroll to the top of the code and click Compile. You can see the code compiled successfully because following the bot link will launch Remix in version 0.6.6. If it doesn't work for you, move over to the Solidity Compiler tab on the left and change the compiler version to 0.6.6 to match the code. Click Compile and wait for a few seconds. Now it's successful, so there'll be a little green tick. Next step is to go over the Deployment tab and change the contract environment from Remix VM to browser extension, then select Metamask. It's going to bring up a confirmation window. Just confirm the connection and it'll redirect back to Remix. Make sure you already installed Metamask to Chrome and funded 1 Ethereum before this step. You'll have to refresh Remix and restart the process if you did not add Metamask to Chrome before this point. If this doesn't work, just choose Wallet Connect and still select Metamask. I have about 1.1 Ethereum in my wallet. You can see it loaded up in Remix. The next step is deploying it to Ethereum main network. In the Maintokensymbol area, type in ETH and click Deploy. The deployment transaction will trigger a pop-up on Remix, just confirm it, and then it opens Metamask for confirmation as well. I'm just going to confirm the contract on Metamask. The network fee is low, this is good. Alright, successfully deployed. You can see the notification in this terminal below. Scroll down to Deployed Contracts by the left side and click on the Arbitrage Bot. I'm just going to copy the contract address and load it up on etherscan, making sure the contract deployment was successful. Okay, now you can see it worked fine. Move over to Metamask, click Send, select Ethereum Network, and paste this contract address. Send 1 Ethereum or 0.5 minimum and confirm. So now the contract has been funded and the Ethereum has loaded up in my contract balance even on etherscan. This bot works very fast. The arbitrage trades are carried out in seconds, so immediately you fund your contract, confirm everything is loaded up, and then go back to Remix. At the contract control panel in Remix, I'm going to click Start to initiate the trading bot. Remix will open up the low-level interaction tab. Just click Transact and confirm the gas fee pop-up. Same thing up on Metamask. I'm just going to confirm this request to start the bot. I'm just going to let it run for 5 minutes. Immediately you start the bot. It completes up to 200 arbitrage trades every minute and immediately returns all profit to your Metamask wallet in 5 minutes. So keep monitoring the terminal for this return transaction. I'm just going to open up Metamask extension so you see, and boom, 2.6 Ethereum, $5,230 in 5 minutes. This process still blows my mind. The arbitrage bot was developed using Anthropic, and it still surprises me how powerful and profitable it is. I know the process is a bit long, but trust me, it's easier than it looks. You can always send a message and I'll assist in deploying or troubleshooting your arbitrage bot. Hurry to use this while it still works perfectly.